Here we have a 2021 70 plate Ford Ranger WILDTRAK EcoBlue. Now with this vehicle you've got the 17-inch wheels with the BF Goodrich all-terrain tyres on, and how fantastic do they look. You've then got the frozen white exterior paintwork, which in contrast with the black features around the vehicle looks absolutely fantastic. Raptor style front grille, as you can see just there. We've also got the lower front mounted nudge bar at the bottom there. Really aggressive styling on this. We've also got the wide arch kit as well. Coming around to this corner, there's a closer look at your second 17-inch wheel. Side steps down below with the WILDTRAK decals just above. You've also got your grey wing mirrors and door handles, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers, silver roof rails on top. Here's a look at the load cover at the rear, and how fantastic does that look. There's the branding, it's the Alpha SCZ just there. There's a closer look at your third wheel as well. Now you've got a reversing camera on this car, as well as front and rear parking sensors. Tow bar there at the rear as well. Just to give you an example of how the load cover works, simply push up like so. As you can see, easy to put up and down. You can do it with one hand. Really great feature that keeps all of the items in the rear secure from the elements as well. And as you can see, the vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now there's a closer look at your last wheel. Let's head on to the interior next. As you can see, we've got the full black leather interior with the orange stitching. And how great do these seats look. ISO fixed points within the seats. You've got the fold down armrest in the centre, two 30 volt and 12 volt connection points in the middle just there. On the doors, brushed metal handle, electric window controls and integrated speakers. More of that leather with the orange stitching as well. Coming on to the front, you've got that same leather interior again with the contrasting orange stitching. You've also got the WILDTRAK stitching on either side there as well. On the doors, unlock and lock button, brushed metal handle, electric window controls with auto features for the driver. You've also got the child lock for the rear windows, and as you can see, the driver also benefits from the electrically adjustable seats. Now on the right hand side here, you've got your auto lights. You've then got the multifunctional steering wheel with features like cruise control and speed limiter, lane keeping assist on the stalk on your left just there, electric power folding wing mirror controls just there as well, infotainment screen in the centre with your dual zone climate controls. Both front seats are heated as well. There's a look at some of the options in the centre just there. Now we are still awaiting a full valet on this vehicle, and as soon as it gets one we will be filming a more in-depth video showcasing all of the car's features. But until then, if you would like to learn more about this vehicle, have a look down in the description below where you will find all of the relevant information. Until then, that is all from me, so thank you for watching.